Wanna know how to check if a number is a perfect square in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can check it. So, it's super simple, under a minute. So I'm going to show you with this small code right here. You can just simply copy up and modify it as you want. And now we just take the square root using math square root num. So right here you can see the math square root num method right here. So we have used this method and we check it if it's a whole number or not. So we do that by converting the square root to an integer and then squaring it back and again comparing. So for example, if we have 25, if 25 gives square root is 5 and 5 times 5 is 25. So that's it. So we have used 25 and 20 as a perfect square right here. So we have this formula which you should just simply memorize it. That is square times square, which equals to number. And that's it. I can just run this code to show you real quick. And there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.